Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Welcome to James DIY Garage and welcome to a new video. In this video, we're going to do three things. I'm going to show you a problem I solved, and I'm going to show you to reset the oil light, and I'm going to show you to what I did to make my car louder. And just to show you what I'm talking about, this is what the neighbors have had to deal with every morning since I did this mod on my car. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, please support it by subscribing to it, liking this video if you like it, and please leave me a comment on your thoughts, suggestions, whatever. I read all my comments and I will answer if it wants an answer. Otherwise, you will get a like from me. In the description below, you will find links to my email address and to my James DIY Garage Facebook page. Please send all friend requests to my James DIY Garage Facebook page. Shoot me an email with questions, comments, or whatever. I will answer them. If you're a returning viewer, if you've subscribed already, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. We're up to 480 subscribers now, almost 500, almost to 1,000, halfway to 1,000. And that's my goal, and it's really exciting. So I appreciate all the support you subscribers have been giving me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So let's get down to the nitty-gritty of this video. This video has three parts. First one is showing you how to set the oil reset light. Second video is showing you what I did to mod my exhaust to make it so loud. Some of you which probably already know, most of you may already know. And third is what I did to fix an issue with these aftermarket mats, the leather ones that you buy on eBay or Amazon or whatever, the ones that don't come with the support to anchor it down so that it doesn't interfere with the accelerator pedal. I'll show you what I did to fix that, because that's what I bought. I bought the ones that don't have any anchors. So I'll show you what I did to fix it. Okay, first off, resetting the engine auto light. What I have here is an OBD Star X200 Pro. You can find these on Amazon. I paid $199 for this. Comes with a little case. Comes with a cable, a USB cable. Comes with a thumb drive so that you can download and install updates to this. And here's the device itself. So let's reset the engine oil light. Okay, you'll find the OBD connector underneath the steering wheel, underneath the dash. Underneath the dash, there it is right there. You'll plug your cable into that. Here you can see my oil reset light. The wrench, the little wrench there, is on. Okay, once you plug the OBD port, plug this into the OBD port, this is what you'll see. What you're going to do is you're going to hit the enter button to bring this screen up. Third one down is the oil reset light. Hit the down arrow till we get to the oil light server reset. Then hit enter. Hit enter again and it'll be loading. What it's doing is it's loading the vehicle information for all the different vehicles. You'll have to select your vehicle after this. And we press the down arrow key to go to Maserati. There's Maserati right there. Press the enter key and it goes to Ghibli. We also have Gran Turismo, Quattroporte, and Quattroporte MY. I don't know what MY stands for. Model year maybe? I don't know. Anyhow, we're on the Ghibli, so we press enter. Yes, gasoline. Press enter again. In order to successfully perform a reset task, make sure that the correct data is set on the dashboard. It is, and the light is still on. That wrench is still on. Hit enter. Communicating. Full reset. Reset success. When you saw that old reset, I had to hit enter again. So reset success. So let's go out and take a look and see if the wrench is still there. And you'll notice that the oil reset light is gone. And that is how you reset the oil light on a Maserati Ghibli. And a Quattroporte. And a Gran Turismo. I can do all of them. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you reset the oil light on a Maserati Ghibli, Gran Turismo, and Quattroporte. So, if you're in the Sacramento area, Bay Area, North, South, and the drive is reasonable enough, worthwhile, somebody just you just had somebody change your oil, but they didn't have the device to reset the oil light, or you changed it yourself and you don't have the device to reset your oil light, and the drive is reasonable for you and worthwhile to come over here and have me do it for you, shoot me a comment, shoot me an email, or shoot me an IM letting me know, and we can set up an appointment for you to come over here and meet with me personally, and I will reset your oil light for you, or you can do it using my device. Now for the second part of this video, the mat. Say you bought custom mats from eBay or Amazon, and they don't come with a way to anchor the mat down and it interferes with your accelerator pedal. That's what I did. I bought a custom mat. It's leather, it's nice, everybody loves it, but it would slide forward and interfere with the accelerator pedal. I've had it happen to me once, and I had it happen to Eric when he was driving my car. We drove each other's car back a few months ago, and it happened to him once. He freaked out. He had no clue what was going on. He thought it was a problem with my engine, but it was the mat, thankfully. So I fixed that issue, and I'm going to show that how I did that using a little bit of ingenuity. What I have here is the car mat that came with my Ghibli. You'll notice these things here. They're little nibs that plug, they're little snaps that plug into the nibs on the floor of the car. I'm sure you've seen them. So what I did is I removed this. They're easy to come off. They just snap right in there. They just snap off. And then what I did is I placed my new mat down on the floor, and I just pushed down on here looking for the nib. I placed it where I wanted it, pushed down, and when I found it, I pushed hard to make a little indentation in the leather. Then I used the marker to mark it. Okay, I did that on both sides, and it's done up there on the other side, the passenger side as well. Now I'll remove this snap here. I'll remove this one instead. Stick it underneath here, and it just comes up like that. And you pull this out, and you see this hole here. So what you do is you cut this same size hole in your new mats. Then you just take these, slip it in the hole like this, put them back together, snap it together on your new mats, and you do it on each side. And that's how I fixed the issue of my mats roaming up towards the accelerator pedal and getting stuck in the accelerator pedal. And it works great. And so that was my solution to the third-party mat traveling up to the accelerator pedal, getting stuck in the accelerator pedal issue. So tell me what you think in the comments below. And now to the third part of this video, which is how I made my exhaust louder. Some of you probably already know, which is okay, but there are those out there who are going to watch this video that don't know this yet and would like an easy way to make their exhaust louder. Let's take a look at what I did. In these pictures, you can see the location of the vacuum diaphragm that engages and disengages the sport exhaust. If you always want your car to be in sport exhaust, you need to remove that vacuum line on top of it. Once you remove that vacuum line, your exhaust will you'll always be in sport exhaust. So you need to plug those off in order to keep dirt, grime, and mud from getting in there and causing issues with it. So I bought these two plugs and from auto parts store, and I bought two of these. You need two of each from the hardware store. This is one of those shelf things. So you see the holes that you stick this in to hold the shelf up. The shelf sits on these. You have 4 of them, right? So I bought some of these and used 2 of them to plug up the vacuum line when you remove the vacuum line. So let's say, for example, this is the vacuum line, just for example, and it looks a lot like this. Maybe a little bit less diameter, but you take your plug here and you just plug it in there like that. And when you do that, no dirt or grime will get inside there. Then these plugs here just go on top of where the vacuum hose would connect to cover it up. And it's a pretty tight fit. So once you do that, then you'll be protecting your system from dirt, mud, and grime, and you'll always be in sport exhaust. The last thing you want to do after you've pulled the vacuum line and plugged the vacuum line up and the vacuum diaphragm up is you want to tuck that hose into an area where it's not going to be flapping around so your plug doesn't come out. So that's what I did. There's a little hole on the driver's side. There's a little hole in the top above between the exhaust. There's a little hole there, so I just routed it through there so it's not going to be flapping around. I forget what I did on the other side. I haven't looked at the other side, but it's tucked somewhere where it won't be flapping around. And that is how I made my exhaust louder. Always be in sport exhaust. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching my 3-part video. Thank you so much, and as always, please support my channel by subscribing to the channel, clicking the like button if you like this video, and shooting me a comment on your thoughts. Also, in the description below, you'll find links to my email address and my James DIY Garage Facebook page. Please feel free to shoot me an email, and feel free to shoot me a friend request on my James DIY Garage Facebook page. So now I've got to do some shopping, and that means pedal time. Bye.